Welcome to Superb Story Time and Time, where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. Today's story takes us to Japan. This is a computer company. The name of the company is IBM, International Business Machines. They place an order to Japan. These days, most of the manufacturing happens in China. But I'm talking about many years ago. A lot of manufacturing used to happen in these two countries, Germany as well as Japan. Now, Japanese people received an order of 1,000 computers. 1,000 computers were given to them by the company IBM. And in the order contract, there was a clause that 5%, that is 5 pieces can be can be defective in the order. That is acceptable as a part of the order. What happens in company contracts, they will actually put like that, how much can be defective, how much can be all that. So IBM placed an order to a Japanese company, a manufacturing company, and told them, yes, you supply us 1,000 units, and in the 1,000 units, 5 units can be bad. They can be defective. Japanese, when they got the order, they said, what is this? Japanese have a culture. This is not acceptable. They wrote back. They said, what we will do it is, sir, I understand, but we respect you. You are a customer. You have trusted us. But however, we don't understand what is defective. We are Japanese. We are Japan. We are not going to give you any defective product. We will give you 5 extra. You break it. You ruin it. You spoil it. You do whatever you want. You throw it. But please, we will not supply you defective pieces. We will fulfill the contract by giving you 5 more. And they made it. They made 1,000 units and they made 5 extra and shipped it to United States. With a letter, thank you so much. We got wonderful order. But then this is a culture of ours that we will not make defective products. That is the mindset they have. Another country that we're going to talk about, their prices, even if you see Japanese product and German products are expensive. But the moment it is written made in Germany, made in Japan, what happens? What happens? We immediately pay money for it. Do we pay a higher price for Japanese and German products? Yes, that is called as manufacturing excellence. It is a part of their culture not to accept anything which is substandard. Not to accept anything it's low. That's the reason when people look up to Japan. Then people look up to Germany. Whereas if you see Chinese products, even each and every one of you, some of you can say, yeah, it's okay. They are okay. They can go bad, they can go good also. And that is what exactly. So over a period of time, culture is built. This is a story about manufacturing excellence. So what did you guys learn?
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.